Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Wagwan peeps, good morning, good morning, good morning. Wagwan peeps, today is a very special day. And we're going to touch the road. Hold on 1 second. Mackie's calling me. Vlogworld, 1 second. Hey man, what's up? Are you outside? Okay man, you on the vlog. Yo, Mackie, we gonna touch the road. Alright, the forwards in now. Yeah. Yo, anyway, I'm Mackie that does shout me. So today, quick thing peeps. So I go take a little mini vacay. I'm going to a hotel. Me, Sherry Sinus, Mackie Sinus, the whole family, Marja Sinus, Tyre Sinus. Well, left out now. Them out of those. So just go on journey with me. Come make a carry now. And we gonna enjoy ourselves at a hotel today. Let's go. Hey man, we're going vlog world. We here in the morning. You know what I mean? Everybody is here. We got the twang for the entire weekend. When we on the vlog, we going to Little Farin. You know, we got Sherry Sinus in the building. Oh my God. We got Mackie Sinus driving.
Hold on, if it is.
And we got Sherry Sinus in the building. I just threw her off and catch her. Yes, though, it's beer Sinus here. We have Sherry Sinus, we got Mackie Sinus, we got Talify Sinus, we got Marja Sinus, we got Tyre Sinus. Yo, Wally knows we'll be running today. We sniff peer new a tour. What we say? Actual? Yeah, man. So we're there, peeps. I go pick up the rest of the crew. You know what I mean, including moms and uncles and everybody's. Moms else, we're gonna pick up some moms and everybody. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just there. Just go on journey with me, cause it's gonna be an epic weekend. Epic.
Inside. Where you are do?
Hot shit. Here it comes.
Alright, vloggers, so we're there now. Crew. Some of the crew. Mackie them gonna go park up and thing. Yeah, we're there. Yeah, so we start it and thing. Yeah, my first time being here. It's a new hotel we just built and thing. So yeah, it's named Coral Spring. Ocean Hotel or something like that. Yeah, you see the name on the title and thing. So right now we're going. It is pretty cool so far, you know what I mean? So yeah, I like it. It's big. See? It's a huge place. Yeah, it's cool. I like it and thing. I wear my mask and thing is cool. I like it. So yeah, we're there. Yeah, so yeah, so we're there. It's well cold inside. Yeah. So yeah. But anyway, peeps, we're there. Oh, we're at the luggage here now. I have to fix my mask. Yeah, I can't take the mask thing because I know it'll kill me. This mask thing is killing me. It is a 9. But yeah, but as I said, peeps, we still kick off everything. I say comes with them. And the rest of the peeps, see? Yeah, it's huge. It's a huge place. But anyway, vlogger, I'm there. And I just go on journey with the boy. We'll settle in on thing. And I'm going to see what I go on here. So yeah man, pick up to myself. Alright vloggers, so we're here in the shopping area. Alright, so we don't start twang yet. But we'll go in at the hotel, we're going to start twang man. We're going to start twang. So yeah, as I say, it's a big place. You know what I mean? It's a huge place, I like it. I'm checking here. It's very beautiful. You're not in the frame, don't worry. So yeah, it's pretty huge. New hotel. Like it. Right there. So you can see it look good. I like it. Yeah, bad place. So we're just here, I got check in right now. And yeah, I like it. Look out there, Sato. If y'all can see it, pretty nice. I like it. Coral Spring, you know, Trelawney side and thing. I like it. It have a vibe. But as I say, as we're there, I'm gonna show them around the place, make them see. Yeah, and we gonna have fun together. See, you know. Yeah, I guess they're selling jewelry. It's called House of Diamonds, duty free. So, yeah, I mean, yo, I just want to go inside right now, check in, or I just want to have some fun. That's pretty much it. So, some of the peeps them here. Yeah, we got tires signs over there. We have Sadiki, we have Sherry, we have Uncle, we have, yeah, people there. So yeah, it's a whole new world like Aladdin, you know. So yeah. But to be honest, I'm kind of hungry still. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I want to sleep. You know? Yeah, I'm hungry and I want to sleep. I'm tired. I'm still tired, vlogger. I come home from Mandeville yesterday, reaching about after 7. So, come to bed about after 9. Wake up back this morning and just still well tired. So, yeah, but I'm here, man. I just want to get inside, eat some food, start the vibe, yeah, and enjoy myself. So yeah, I want to just go on journey with the boy.
Hello, hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi. I'm Janet.
Yeah, Janet, I'm a friend. Guess what? Today is her
Birthday!
birthday girl up in the building. And Janet there.
Yeah.
Alright, we do all the way. The same place. So you know it's gonna be good. So yes, enjoy yourself, Jay.
We are.
And definitely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna link up with Janet later. We'll hopefully share a rave out and them thing there. You know, so everything in my bag. So that's a good thing. The rest of the crew up in the building. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm sorry. I was supposed to twang. Sorry, guys. You know we're saying we day. No, I can't do it. Not now. I have to be on that vibe. So we're here right now. We're walking. We're enjoying ourselves.
By
Yeah.
the time you finish the video, the chat will be done.
No. See? House of Diamonds. Pier 27. We're going. I think we're going Sakura tonight. For
Wow, I like it. I love that plant.
for lunch
Pretty, that
and
plant.
stuff like that. Oh, this for my plant lovers. Yeah, check it out. I don't know what it's called. Don't ask me. It's just pretty. But anyway, let's go. We're going to Martha's Market restaurant. So just got some food to eat. If I tell you, my belly not full, I'm greedy.
Yeah, breed.
I'm greedy.
Oh, yeah, breed.
Wow. Yeah, I heard what Sherry Sinus says. I remember me a breed. Wow. It wasn't so bad. It could not go on down. Could not go on. Sadiq Sinus up in our building. Or Queen at the or Queen at Maki. Yeah. All peeps in the building. Expression of them. Yeah. So we're there. Can't too stay long because I don't want the artists to get money. But big up on yourself. We still go outside. Go and journey with the bike. Vlog world. So I'm there. I'm just going in my room, you know. Yeah, just reaching in my room and thing. I don't know. All of the room them pretty much look the same. It look good still. Me not turn the light have a vibe to it. You know what I mean? Let me turn on the light them. Hold on. Where the light switch them? There. No. Alright, that's for that. Where is the light switch? Hold on. Oh, I think these are the light switch. Alright. Yeah, we here now. Now we can see it. I'm gonna show you now. Oh shoot, may I take a picture? Hold on, let me show you. So this is the bathroom. Shower. Cool, I like it. You know what I mean? Bed shower and all that thing there. It's the bathroom where the magic happens. You know what I mean? It's bath, jacuzzi and beer things. Keela, you should be here. But anyway. All them stuff there, you know, soap, shower cap, you know what I mean, shampoo. The regular I like it. You know what I mean? You have the coffee area, water area, got the big glass, you know what I'm saying? Cool and bare things. Like the fan, the wooden fan and stuff like that. Bed and so, you know? TV there just alone, I don't know what's happening. And here there just so. Cupboard. Nothing is in there. Unexpected. Can book my laptop. I should have bring my laptop too. I can edit. Got the phone, that. Got this. I mean this light switch. I guess that's for lock off the AC. I don't know to turn on that. Got USB charging and thing. Looks like somebody are coming. Yeah, one sec, please. Wanna go and give you that, please. Respect. Alright, respect here, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, so well, all of this. Just get my stuff. You know what I mean? Drop it off and in my bag. Simple little thing, you know, all if I'm packing and thing. I mean, I like it. And here's where the magic happens. This look at the as Tanto Blackson I said, the balcony. I mean, hold on. Are you opening this door? Yeah, youth. And here's the balcony where the magic happens. I mean, music and all them stuff there. Beautiful view, isn't it? Yeah. So music I play. See the rest of the place there. I like it. Yeah. So, yeah. See, pretty? Very, very beautiful. I like this place. I like the vibe and the energy and thing. But only problem I would definitely say I have is it not pick up no signal. That's definitely the problem. So yeah, Coral Spring, big up yourself. Nice piece of couch right there, so. Yeah, so I think Maki and Sherry sign us and Tyre sign us and Sadiq and the rest of the crew until them and so everybody up on a different floor. Well, all of them pretty much up on one floor and then send me go way up a 5th floor. I don't know why, but yeah. And thing, but I think them they said them they want to go to the pool. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get through to them and see what I go on, and then just ready to have some fun. So I'm go on journey with your boy and let's kick off the party. Let the party begin. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Housekeeping, we're here. The sanitizer thing. No, we can't see nothing. Hey man, yo, brother. Yeah, me I say, yo. The whole room don't look the same. No different. No, no exclusive.
I'm sure you have a good view though.
Yeah. Jesus, can them give me bush? You better them they give me a bush. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure if I bring down the beer them from your room.
Bring down the what?
Beer them from your room.
Beer? Me not have nothing in my room. You get beer?
Yeah, you know this thing.
Oh Lord, we get beer. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry, we're supposed to be twanging. So right now, we're in the huddle room. You know, whatever. I'm not videoing in the bathroom, Sherry. I never does that. First of all, the TV don't even turn on for me, so it keep on loading.
Yeah,
something's wrong. Mackie's us in the building, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, boy, you ain't twanging it. Later tonight when they call it. We're gonna be twanging. We're gonna be on a different level. A different level. You know what I mean? Sherry Sinus, she's you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Keela, you should have been here, babe. But everything is alright. Gonna plan another trip. Don't worry yourselves. I'm rolling with my families today. Family! Yeah.
We have a beautiful view.
Right now we have.
You have a beautiful view of nothing.
What you said?
You have a beautiful view of some dirt over the sun.
Wow.
And some
Look at
dirty
that.
water.
That's very beautiful. Yo, I think them are gonna probably build. And they say, right, it look like they say done.
No, look at them. Look like them. I'm going to build up something.
Not tell no lie, them brave to build the hotel. So near right, so still them not realize that the water them arise. I just I say.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Beach, yeah. That kind of cool. I mean, it have a little buzz. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it have a little. Yeah, kiddies pool. You ain't gonna say hello?
Hey.
Wow, she just gonna say hey like that. She ain't gonna show her face. Yeah, me like this body. Yeah, lucky I have that. Me not have nothing.
You not one of this?
No, I'm not. Don't have that at all.
You sure?
No, sure. When you forward, you gonna see. Yeah, man, please. So
We have a balcony like this.
you have a balcony. You have a balcony. Right now, I'm on the balcony.
We're on the balcony.
Balcony. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, I'm glad to reach you and safe. Good for their own family, them and chill like this. I wish we could do this more often. We need to grind and get rich so we can stay all our week. All our week. But them give you a good rate. What do you think so far do at the place, bro?
It's alright.
Honest opinion, you know. Going on there, we know.
It's alright, it's new, so.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it take long for
Book queen.
book queen.
Yeah. And take that. And then I like fax my phone, the whole tree of my phone, them they on no service. Make me not pick up nothing. Marky Sinus have a better luck, but they ain't picking up nothing, bro. But anyway, vlog girl, I'm there. Yeah. Just go on journey with your boy later with us there, chill. And it's gonna be trouble time.
I try, you know, when I'm going for you, you know.
No, I know to turn it up. I'm more artist, man. Okay. Alright, peeps, we'll go at the pool here now.
Yeah, take a picture.
Yeah. So, apparently. Oh, that's Marjo's room. Yes.
Hello.
So, we and the old peeps, them. Trunk Patrick out there, so I take picture. You don't know what I do. Place kind of dark. But he's becoming a tourist, man. Hey man, watch him not see how we know. Anyway, peace, bro. I'll make our way down to the pool right now. Go build some vibes, have some fun, make that bus to dance, and ting. You knows what I'm saying? Yeah. What would they have, vlog world? Nights will come. Nights will come. And things so. Yeah, I could take the stairs now. Yeah, man, I could go up 2, 3, 4. Please hold on to the railing. I'm not dropping things. That's the kiddies section. Okay, that's not for you. No, they can't do my bedroom side. The man run sanity over the kiddies section. So no. Yeah. Yeah, them out, them girl in them clothes out. Anyway, yeah, I got that. Yeah, I want him to like though, the bush. Well, them a fix it up over time, you know what I mean? Cause this one fix, brother, you know, sister. Yeah. Yeah, but anyway, vlogger over there. Mark, you ready? Take on the pool. Yeah. Put on the cool shade. Batman now. The boy almost drink it. Man, I almost drink himself in my eye. Eh? Where you want to go down there so first? Alright, cool. But anyway, peeps, going to the pool. Down to the pool house. The pool house we go. Down to the pool. Mini vacation has officially started. Right? Mini vacation officially started.
Yeah. No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the